What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress Themes, and in today's video you're gonna learn how to use margins and paddings into WordPress Elementor Page Builder plugin. As you can see here at the Contact Us page from Visual Mentor WordPress theme, we have the contact form a little too close from the title line, from the page heading line, and I would like to separate it, adding some space. And I can add this space by selecting this element and applying some padding, or even a margin. Here's a creative example of negative margin usage. Here it's an image with two columns, and in the second one we have this doctor image with a negative margin, so we can make this doctor picture overlay the raw section and enter in another section. First of all, let's apply a padding into the Contact Us page. First of all, go to WordPress dashboard, page, select the page that you would like to apply this space or even create a new one. Click on the Elementor, edit with Elementor blue button so we can load in the Elementor editor. Hover your mouse over the section, the element, the raw, the title, the content that you would like to apply the padding. Click on this column icon to open the section editor, or even click with the right button of your mouse and select navigation and go to advanced. Before anything, select this link icon so we can unlock and can apply the padding only on the top, because if you apply with this icon locked, if you add a size from the top, you're gonna be adding the size for bottom, left and right as well. But in this method, you can just increase or decrease the value and apply these options one by one. In my case, I just want to the top, so I'm gonna update this page, because here we are good to go. You can decrease the top padding in the case that you want. However, even if you use a negative option, this is not gonna work, because this is related to margins, not to padding. Let's create a new page so we can show you one example. I'm gonna zip to dashboard and create a new page. In this page, I'm gonna be adding a simple column layout, starting with a page heading, a text color, a text block, and next to it, two columns, a row with new two columns. Let's open the Elementor editor. We're gonna create an effect almost like this one, but with a different image. First of all, I'm gonna be adding some content so we can see the result. A page heading and a text block. The second section of this page gonna have 2 columns. I'm gonna just copy the text block from this first one to the second one to populate the section, and in the second column I'm gonna be adding an image. So click on the plus button, select the image element, drag it and drop into the second section. Click on the image icon so we can load our WordPress media gallery, the media library. Let's find an image that is in .png with transparent background. I'm gonna choose this one from the Mac. Here's our image. It's aligned to center. Now, if you click on the image and go to the advanced, you can play with the paddings. But even if you add negative padding, this just not gonna work because you need to add negative margin. And as you can see, the image is now entering into the first section of the page. And why? Because it's negative. You can create almost very creative layouts using this simple trick. Let's organize a bit the image. I'm gonna decrease its size because it's way too big. But according to the image that you are using, those are options, and the best thing to do is trial and fail until you find your perfect layout. For this page, I'm gonna be using this with 300 by 300. Now let's go back to advanced, unlock the setting, so we can just apply a negative margin to the top, not to the other sides. And here's the result. The second image from the second section, it's overlaying the first section. Very useful. And it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, fully compatible with Elementor WordPress plugin or any other page builder that you like. And I see you later. All the best!